Gaga music. Gaga music. Gaga music.
Must have, mommy, because y'all see that? Hey, oh mo, let's get to it. Hey guys, it's your girl Rebecca, Becky Ade. Welcome to my channel. So I'm really excited about this video. I know I say this all the time, but this one I'm really excited about because, baby, y'all see this wig? Today's video is on this wig from Sensationnel. I don't think y'all see this body in the style Adanna. See the stock card. And this is from their What Lace Hairline Illusion collection, I believe. You know, this is actually giving what Dasha was, you know, this is what I was trying to get from Dasha. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you would like to see how I get it to this, make sure to keep watching. So here's the inside of the wig fresh out of the pack. And here it is on, you know, whatever. So I put my foundation with my blending brush, cut the lace, and this is how we're looking. So I'm going to be doing what I do with all my wigs, which is pretty much, well, not all my wigs, but my synthetic wigs. Use my alcohol to clean the area that I plan to glue the wig down. Use Got To Be, 2 layers, and also using my blow dryer in between and making sure it's tacky before I now lay the lace on top of it. So I also blow dry the area after I've laid the lace to, you know, further lay the lace. And also I'm going to show you guys how I do my right side, not my left, you know, for the sake of the video, but the same thing I do to the middle, I do to the right, nothing different. So now we're going to use some alcohol and a paper towel to clean the excess glue from the Got To Be, and that's how we're looking. So obviously there's a line of demarcation, and I'm going to use my foundation to cover that with my blending brush. And this is how we're looking. Looks great. So now I'm going to get into my edges. What I'm going to do actually is just, you know, take it out, cut it, lay it with the Got To Be glue, use my strip to further set it, and pretty much it. So now that we're done with that, I'll now use some alcohol and a paper towel again to clean off that residue from the Got To Be, and also a comb to, you know, remove it from being so stuck to my forehead. And this is how we're looking. Looks amazing. I love it. So I'll show you how it looks from the middle to the side and as well as flipped over. Okay. Let's get into the specs so you guys can know what's going on. Okay, all right. I'll start off with what I think about this wig. This wig is very, 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 very cute, and it's very versatile as well. I showed you all how I went from a middle part to a side part to just the same as Dasha. It's just as easy to go from one side to the other, or a middle part, whatever. The texture of this wig is very much yaki. It is very much a yaki texture. It's not shiny at all, but it doesn't give shiny, but it's still shine, like a natural shine to it, and I love it. It has that nice luster to it. Like, it's looking more hydrated, moisturized, you understand? Like, it's giving all of that. Wow, I can't even think right now because the way these curls are just doing me. Oh my, these curls are doing me. Like, come on. What's up? Like, Kilo Day, can I do the review? Oh, I'm gonna get more of this wig. I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna buy more. There's no way I have to buy more. I cannot not buy more of this wig. Okay, I have to buy 3 more. In fact, I'll buy 5 because this is giving me everything. I'm sorry. Okay, back to the review. All right, let's talk about the lace. The lace is very much the same as Dasha. It's not really that blendable as compared to the other wigs that I reviewed on my channel and wear on a daily basis, as far as, you know, Outtray, Bobby Boss, and all those things. So I did have to actually you can see in my installation, I actually had to also put after applying it, I had to also put foundation here again because it was very visible. It was a wig. I mean, we all know it's a wig, but you can't be having it looking that much like it's a wig. So, you know what I'm saying? I had to do that. The lace was a little bit more work to blend in with. So, I mean, honestly, I don't care. Just add like maybe 2 minutes to my install, but I'm not really mad about that. You know, just keep it in mind that you probably have to do a little bit more work to get it to blend as much as possible. My pros. Should I do pros first? Honestly, is that cons? So I'm gonna get into my cons about this wig. The con that I see going on with this wig, I know, I'm sorry, it's a con. It's a con. It's a con there, yes. It's a con. It is tangly. Like, okay. Since I got out the pack, I have not worn it, I didn't wear it, but you know, I just tried it on because girl, I was in love with it from the moment I saw it. I was in love. I'm not gonna lie, girl, I was in love. Girl. I was just like, when you get up there, you know what I'm saying? I was just happy. You know what I'm saying? So I took it out the pack a couple times, like, oh, I can't wait till I do my review. You know what I'm saying? But in the time since I've taken out the pack, I have noticed that it is tangled. That's probably my only con for this wig. It does tangle, and that's honestly, I mean, that's not really a problem for me. Is it a problem for you? If the wig look good, I mean, can we not manage? I mean, personal thing is, I definitely can manage it, but you know, just it's something that you should definitely keep in mind if you want to purchase this wig. My pros, let me just start with my number 1 pro is the style. This is giving all types of, I mean, honestly, I don't even know what to tell you guys anymore. I don't even know if I should keep talking because the body of this wig, honestly, it's just so much body and it looks amazing. I love, love, love the style. The second thing I love about it is the, what else do I love about this wig? Oh, how flat it is. It's extremely, just like Dasha, very flat. I really don't have to put any heat to it if I didn't want to because it's so flat. Like, it's just a pro to me. That's, you know, reducing the amount of time I have to take to get ready. As for shedding, I did not see any shedding in it since I've, you know, cut the lace or anything. I've not gotten any shedding. So it doesn't shed. In my opinion, from all the brushing that I did, I don't really see it shedding. I don't think it sheds. It is quite long. It is quite long. I'm going to show you guys how it looks from the front. This is it to the front. And it kind of falls. It falls right under my boob. Right under my boobs. Yeah, it falls right under my boobs. And this is it to the side. With a free part, of course, you know, if you had whatever part, it will look different, of course. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks from the side. To the other side. And from the back, it is quite long. I stand at 5'10", and it hits right, like, no, like a little bit over. I would say it falls in the middle of my back. Is it an everyday wig? For me, yes. Like I said in my Dasha wig video, These kind of wigs, I know how to make them, you know, work for me every day. Back in the day, I used to wear Nisha. Like, this is Nisha, but in a 1396. Facts. I usually wear these kind of yaki wigs. I feel like yaki wigs do last longer. When they do get to that point where it looks a little frigid at the end, all you have to do is just run your wig spray with it and, you know, just comb it through, and it should detangle. To me, that's considered every day, but, you know, to each his own. You decide what you think, if it's every day or not. But me personally, I would wear this wig every day. Is this wig big head friendly? No. Again, it's not big head friendly. Just like Dasha, the wigs, these sensational what lace wigs are too small. Like I said, girl, I don't know if it's 13x6 or 11x6, because at this point I don't understand why it don't come down here. My whole I have a 23-inch circumference. So if you do have the same size head, just be prepared that it won't reach the end. Like you can see here, I couldn't even really do too much. Anyway, I don't care. I'ma still buy it again. So I got this wig from Sam's Beauty. Shout out to Sam's Beauty. And I got it for a total of $56.99. Do I think that's too expensive for this wig? No. Would I buy it again? Yes. Highly advise that you would go get one too when it gets back in stock. And yeah, I believe that's all I have for you all today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all see that? I ain't never said that in my videos before. I'm becoming a YouTuber. I'll see you in my next one.